That's a big one.
I wonder how big that is. What do you think that's down at?
I don't know. I don't have a good gauge of how far that is.
Yes, it does. It looks like it's getting a lot bigger. Quick.
Oh my. It's coming here. Guys, that's coming here.
What's that?
It looks like it's coming this way.
No,
it's not.
What do they say? Tornadoes always head southeast.
Yeah, this one's not there in southeast.
You ever seen one before, Jennifer?
Not like that.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
So where do you think that's down at?
I would say a mock.
Past Berwick, or
It's past Berwick, probably a mile or so, I would guess.
yeah.
I would just say it's going to cross the Bern Highway close to that corner, north of Berwick.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yes, it is. Looks like it's growing.
Somebody videotaping this? You
Feel
got it
good.
zoomed in good?
You know what they say? Everyone else, when they hear tornado sirens, they just go inside. Kansans, we go outside.
Hey, maybe it'll take out some windmills.
Shut up, Dad. That'd be bad. Windmills, that would become a flying, like, death trap. That would be dangerous. That sucks.
That thing just keeps getting bigger.
Yeah, it ain't sleeping at all.
No.
Anthony texted me and asked me if I would stay